Hi, my name is Sadia, and in this video, let's discuss about some of the important options of the reports. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at date range filter, visitors segments, visitors dimensions, and how to change the baseline options. Now the first one that we have is the date range filter. Now the date filter enables you to filter the data for a specific date range. To specify a date range, you can either use the already provided options or you can even specify a custom date range with the help of this calendar. Now let's say I want to view the reports only for 17th. Then I can just filter that and view the data for the same. Similarly, if you want to view the reports for a date range, then you can filter that too. So let's say I want to view the reports from 15th to 17th. Then I can filter the same. In this manner, you can view the reports for a date range. Now the second option that we have over here is the visitors segment. Now with visitors segments, you can view the reports for a specific segment of your visitors. Let's say I want to view the reports only for the mobile traffic. Then I can select those and filter it out. So the data you will see over here will be only for the mobile traffic. Not just that, in your standard segments, you can even compare two different segments. For instance, let's say I want to see the reports only for the mobile traffic and those who are the returning visitors. So I'm just going to use this compare option that you see over here and I'm going to compare the data. So now it's going to compare the data between all the visitors, mobile traffic, and the returning visitors too. Now, apart from this, you also have custom segments wherein you can define your own custom segments option. You can create multiple conditions and play around with the same. For example, let's say I want to view the reports for all the visitors who are using a tablet device. So I'm just going to select tablet and I'm going to add another condition. Those who land on the page on a specific day of the week. So I'm just going to use that again. So I'm going to use Monday and filter the reports for the same. So over here, you can see the reports for all of the visitors who are landing via tablet traffic and on a Monday. So now I'm just going to clear these segments. Lastly, we have visitors dimension. Visitors dimensions are the attributes of the people who visit your website. Attributes includes country, what the device they're using, what's the visitor's type, what's the traffic source, and so on. Let's say I want to view the reports for all of the operating systems. Then I can just select that option and click on apply. So I should be able to see the results for all the operating systems such as Mac, Android, iOS, and so on. Now let's understand how to change the baselines for calculation in VW. During a test, different variations of a web page are compared against the base version. Usually, the base version is taken as control. The improvement or the success of any variation is calculated in relation to the control. Now, by changing the base for a test, you're actually changing the reference against which you would want to compare the success or the failure of your variation. For instance, let's say you want to compare your control variation 2, variation 3 with your variation 1. Then all you have to do is click on the three dots and use this as baseline. Now this will be used as a reference or a base with respect to all the other variations that you have. Thank you for watching.